Hello student. Today we'll learn about area and perimeter in mensuration. In this chapter, we'll learn area and perimeter of rectangle, square and circle. In between, there will be a quiz time. After that, we'll learn about area and perimeter of triangle, parallelogram, trapezium, quadrilateral. At the end of this session, I'll reveal the quiz answer with step-by-step explanation. Let's learn the area of a rectangle. When L is the length of a rectangle, B is the breadth of a rectangle, then area equal to length into breadth. It can be written as L into B. So, what is the unit of area? That is meter square, centimeter square or feet square. Let's learn about perimeter. If L is the length of a rectangle, B is the breadth of the rectangle, then perimeter will be 2 times of length plus 2 times of breadth. That equal to P equal to 2 into L plus B, and unit can be written in meter, centimeter and feet. So in rectangle, you have to remember two important formula: area equal to length into breadth, perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. Let's learn area of a square. If A is the side of a square, then area equal to side into side. That equal to A into A equal to A square. Unit of area is meter square, centimeter square and feet square. Don't forget in any of the problems. Let's learn about the perimeter of a square. So what is perimeter? Perimeter is addition of all the sides. So perimeter equal to 4 into sides, that equal to 4 into A. So in square you have to remember two main formula: area equal to A square, perimeter equal to 4 into A. Let's go to circle. So if R is a radius of a circle, then area of a circle is A equal to pi R square, where pi equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. Let's learn the perimeter of a circle. The perimeter of the circle is 2 pi R, where pi equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. So in circle, you have to remember area is pi r square, perimeter is 2 pi r. Let's learn if d is the diameter of a circle, then what is the area? So in this, in place of r, put d by 2, then pi into d by 2 whole square, that equal to pi d square by 4. So area is pi d square by 4. Similarly, for perimeter, if diameter is d, so put r equal to d by 2, that equal to 2 into pi into d by 2, which is equal to pi into d. So you have to remember, when diameter is given for the circle, then the area of the circle is pi d square by 4, and perimeter of the circle is pi into d. Quiz time. Let's have a quiz. The length and breadth of a rectangle field are in the ratio of 5 is to 3. If the area of the field is 375 meters square, what is its perimeter? Take a pause, take a screenshot. I'll reveal the answer of this quiz at the end of this video. Quiz number 2. The area of a square is 196 centimeters square. What is the length of its diagonal? Take a screenshot. I'll explain step by step of these questions at the end of this video. Let's learn the triangle area. If B is the base of a triangle, H is the height, then area is equal to half base into height, that equal to half B into H. Let's learn about the perimeter. If sides are A, B and C, so what is perimeter? Perimeter is sum of all sides, that equal to A plus B plus C. Let's learn about right angle triangle. When in a right angle triangle base is B, height is H, then area equal to half into base into height, that equal to half into B into H. Let's learn about perimeter of a right angle triangle. When side is A, B and hypotenuse is C, then perimeter is equal to sum of all side, that equal to A plus B plus C. So there are two formula for right angle triangle. So that is half B into H and side A plus B plus C. Let's learn about parallelogram. In parallelogram, if base is B and height is H, then area is equal to base into height, that equal to B into H. Let's go to trapezium. In trapezium, there are two parallel lines. So A and B are parallel lines and H is the height. Then area equal to half of sum of the parallel side into height, that equal to half into A plus B into H. Let's learn about quadrilateral. In quadrilateral, the lines are not parallel. At that time, there will be two different triangles, A1 and A2. So let's learn the area of a quadrilateral. Area of a quadrilateral equal to area of the two triangle A1 plus A2, that equal to half into B into B into H1 plus half into B into H2, that can be written as half into B whole H1 plus H2. So let's start to solve the quiz. So the length and breadth of a rectangular field are in the ratio of 5 is to 3. If the area of the field is 375 meters square, what is its perimeter? So options are 64, 80, 80, 96 and 120. So let's learn. So what is there? What is given? So area equal to 375 meter square and length is 5x and breadth is 3x. Let's use the two formula which we learned. Area is length into breadth, perimeter is 2 into L plus B. In step 1, area of the rectangle is equal to L into B. So that equal to 5x into 3x, which is equal to 15x square. So let's solve. 15x square is equal to 375. X square equal to 375 divided by 15. X square equal to 25. So x equal to 5. In step 2, length equal to 5x, which is equal to 5 into 5, 25 meter. Breadth equal to 3x, that is 3 into 5, 15 meter. In step 3, perimeter equal to, apply the formula 2 into L plus B, that equal to 2 into 25 plus 15, that equal to 80 meter. Answer is option B. Let's go to quiz number 2. The area of a square is 196 centimeter square. What is the length of its diagonal? Let's use the formula A into A equal to A square. A square equal to 196. Then A equal to root over of 196, which is equal to 14 centimeter. So A equal to 14 centimeter. Then what is the diagonal? So diagonal is A root 2, that equal to 14 root 2 centimeter. So answer is option B. Let's solve one more question. The area of a parallelogram is 150 centimeter square and its base is 15 centimeter. Then what is the height? So we learned area of a parallelogram is A equal to B into H. So I apply this one. So area equal to base into height. That means 150 is equal to 15 into height. So height equal to 150 by 15, that equal to 10 centimeter. So answer is 10 centimeter. Thank you for your attention. Do like, subscribe and share to our channel.